In Blaze, you can take a screenshot while viewing live or recorded video. Use this to research or share moments of interest. To capture a screen, press Alt or click this icon at the top right. You can also right-click and select the screenshot option. Your file will appear here in the image section. You can right-click a file and select Show in Folder to open its location in Windows Explorer. You can also right-click a clip to view its specific file name. One unique feature is this play icon. It plays the recorded video from the exact moment the snapshot was taken. This works as long as the footage remains in the archive. The system automatically tracks the snapshot's original location,